To make the coconut laddu, we will need the following ingredients: 200 ml of fresh milk, color and texture. Add and mix well for the color to catch upon the coconut mixture. You can now see how our mixture has turned into pink color and looks mouth-watering. Now it's time to roll the laddus. Take some mixture in your hand and start rolling into round shape to form the laddus. This is what is called a perfect laddu. Keep it aside for now. Now it's time to give a special coating to our laddus. Yes, you heard it right, the special coating. We will coat the laddus with the desiccated coconut we have it. Wow, look at that. Looks fantastic. Adipoli, Zabardast. Rombo nalla irukla. Press the laddu from the top and add an almond to it to give it a rich appearance. Now I will coat the rest of the laddus and keep it aside. Ta-da! Our laddus are ready. Sprinkle some desiccated coconut on and serve. As Diwali and Navratri is approaching, make this very easy sweet and tasty sweet to impress anyone. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Eatsowhat for more such yummy recipes. Thank you for watching. Keep watching Eatsowhat and bring joy to your